So in this problem, we need to resolve the given rational fraction into its constituent partial fraction. Now clearly we observe here that in the denominator, we have the factor x squared plus 2x plus 2 and is repeating twice. So that means we are going to get two partial fractions. So we have 7x cubed plus 16x squared plus 20x plus 5 whole divided by, we have x squared plus 2x plus 2. This is a quadratic factor and is repeating twice. So our first partial fraction is going to be denoted by ax plus b. Now we're choosing ax plus b because we have a quadratic factor. So it's going to be divided by x squared plus 2x plus 2. Then we'll get a second partial fraction where with the numerator is cx plus d and the denominator is going to be x squared plus 2x plus 2 whole square. So let this be number 1. Our goal will be to determine the value of a, b, c and d. So to begin with, what we'll do, we'll take equation number 1 and multiply throughout with the denominator of the left hand side. So that's x squared plus 2x plus 2 whole square. Now straight away that gives us the left hand side is 7x cubed plus 16x squared plus 20x plus 5. This will be equals to, now we have x squared plus 2x plus 2 multiplied to ax plus b. That becomes the first term, followed by the next term, which will be simply cx plus d. What we'll do, we'll expand the expression on the right hand side and combine all the like terms. So we get x cubed times a plus x squared multiplied to 2a plus b. Then we have x multiplied to 2a plus 2b plus c. And then we have the constant terms 2b plus d. And on the left hand side, we have 7x cubed plus 16x squared plus 20x plus 5. Now what we'll do, we will equate and compare both sides. So let's write it down. On comparing and equating both sides, so we will get the coefficient of x cubed, so that's a, on the right hand side, and the coefficient of x cubed on the left hand side is 7, so that immediately gives us the value of a as 7. Then we have coefficient of x squared, which is 2a plus b, so the coefficient of x squared on the left hand side is 16. Now that we have the value of a as 7, so we can replace a with 7, and this is going to help us find out the value of b, and b comes out to be equals to, so we have 16 minus 14, so that's 2. Coming to the next one, we have coefficient of x on the left hand side, so that's 2a plus 2b plus c, and the coefficient of x on the left hand side, that's 20. So if we replace the value of a with 7 and b with 2, the solving for c gives us c value comes out to be 2. And then we have the constant term 2b plus d, so that is equals to 5. We have already obtained the value of b, b is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, so d will be simply equals to 5 minus 4, so that's 1. So we have obtained the value of a, b, c and d, which we can replace in number 1 to obtain the required partial fraction. Thus, we get the final result. So 7x cubed plus 16x squared plus 20x plus 5 whole divided by x squared plus 2x plus 2 whole squared. So this will be equals to, so we have ax plus b. That means we have 7x plus 2 divided by x squared plus 2x plus 2. Then we have cx plus d. So cx plus d is, that's 2x plus 1 whole divided by x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared. So this is how we have successfully resolved a given rational fraction into two partial fractions.